Still students are joining. We shall wait for 3 more minutes. Still students are joining. 19 participants. "21 participants. Within a minute, I'll start. Okay, 7-5. We shall start now. First question on the screen. Okay, the ratio of the focal length of spherical mirror to its radius of curvature is. One members already answered out of 22 participants. Okay, time is up. Let's check the scores. We have Ashwin followed by Jahnavi, Srimoktika, Bashita. 11 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 2. Which of the following is a skeleton reaction? I hope you are able to see all the 4 options on the mobile screens. Do you have all the 4 options on the screen? "21 members answered out of 24 participants. Okay, time is up. Let's check on the leaderboard scores. Bashita followed by Annapurna Srimoktika. 8 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3. Okay, there is a overlap here. The focal length of a lens depends on which of the following factors? Seconds. Time is up. Let's check on the scores. We have Moktika followed by Annapurna and the quiz is Theseus. 17 members made it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. The human eye forms the image of an object. Seconds more. Seconds. 5. 24 members answered out of 27 participants. Time is up. Let's check the scores if there is any change. Seems to be a lot of competition. Moktika, Theseus, Annapurna, Jahnavi, Bashita. 16 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Who introduced magnetic quantum number? Who introduced magnetic quantum number? 30 seconds more. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 25 members answered out of 27 participants. Let's check the leaderboard scores. There is no change as of now. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Only 2 members answered this question right. Question number 6. Which of the following element belongs to third period and also a 17-7A group? 30 seconds. 10 seconds more. And this particular quiz big part is not just from human eye, it is from multiple chapters, both physics and chemistry. Time is up. 25 answered out of 27. Let's check the leaderboard scores. We have a Theseus on top, Srimoktika, Annapurna, Jahnavi. 7 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 7. Object distance u, image distance v, and focal length f for a spherical mirror related as 25 seconds. Ten seconds. Time is up. Yes, let's check the scores. 24 members answered. We have Hesius, Moktika, Annapurna, Jahnavi. 9 members answered it right. Okay, I understood your statement now. Yeah, it is a sentence mistake. A part of a human eye, not a human eye. You're right. In the balanced chemical equation of the given equation, please check the 4 options and answer the right one. I have an overlap on my screen here. Ten seconds. Time is up. 24 members answered out of 27. Let's check the scores. We have Hesius, Moktika, Annapurna, Lokesh, Anirudh, Bashita. 11 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 9. Two-plane convex lens. Okay, lenses of focal lengths 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter are placed in contact with each other. The effective focal length of the combination is time is up. Let's check the scores. We have Annapurna followed by Hesius. 7 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. The least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is about 5 seconds. Okay, time is up. Let's check the scores if there is any change here. Annapurna, Hesius, Moktika, Jahnavi, Lokesh. 9 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. D orbital is in dash shape. 30 seconds. Seconds. 20 members already answered out of 29 participants. Five seconds. Time is up. Let's check on the leaderboard scores. Annapurna, ACS, Moktika, Jahnavi, and Naveen. 9 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 12. Which of the following element belongs to the 4-period and 4B group? Seconds. 10 seconds. 8. Time is up. Let's check the scores. We have Annapurna followed by Moktika, Hisias, Jahnavi, Lokesh. 10 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. The image formed by a concave mirror. Seconds. Time is up. 21 members answered out of 29 participants. Leaderboard scores. We have Annapurna, Moktika, Hisias, Lokesh, Jahnavi, Bashita. 7 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 14. What is A in the given equation? So read the equation carefully, and what is A in the given equation? Seconds. 'Okay, time is up. Let's check the scores. We have Annapurna, Moktika, Hisias, Jahnavi, Lokesh, Bashita. Okay, let's check. Only 5 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 15. A person is standing on the bank of a river. A fish inside water will see the person to be what? "25 seconds. 10 seconds. 21 members answered out of 29 participants. Let's check on the scores. We have Annapurna followed by Sri Moktika, Jahnavi, Hisias, Bashita. 8 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 16. The human eye can focus on objects at different distances by adjusting the focal length of the eye lens. This is due to Last 5 seconds. Time is up. Leaderboard scores, we have no change from the previous scores. We have 10 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question, question number 17. L equals to 3, then the orbital is time is up. 21 members answered out of 29. Let's check the scores. Annapurna, Moktika, Jahnavi, Naveen, Anirudh. 8 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 18. Electron affinity values of halogens are measured in 5 seconds more. Time is up. Annapurna, Moktika, Jahnavi, Anirudh. 8 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. The image formed by a convex mirror is always .25 seconds. Ten seconds. Okay, time is up. Let's check the scores. We have Annapurna followed by Moktika, Anirudh, Hishiyas, Jahnavi, Lokesh. 12 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 20. Balanced chemical equation among the following equations. Seconds more. Okay, time is up. 20 members answered out of 29. Have the scores here. There is no change. The order remains same. Only 3 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 21. The radius of curvature of a plano convex lens is doubled without changing the material of medium. its focal length will be 25 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the scores here. A slight change. Annapurna, Moktika, Anirudh, Jahnavi and Naveen. 10 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 22. We can see the sun before the actual sunrise by about how many minutes? Last 5 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the leaderboard scores. Have Annapurna, Moktika, Anirudh, Jahnavi, Lokesh and Naveen. 9 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 23. Which of the following elements have high atomic weight? 35 seconds. Seconds. 10 seconds. 'Time is up. 21 members answered out of 30 participants. Let's check on the scores. And there is no change. Let's move on to the next question. 2 members answered this question right. Question number 24. Which of the following elements are generally semiconductors or semiconductors? 30 seconds more. 17 members already answered out of 30. 20 seconds more. 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Let's check the scores. We have no change. It's the same order. 18 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 25. The mirror which has a wide field of view must be 35 seconds. 25 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay, time is up. have a slight change. Ashwin have come to the 5th position. 10 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 26. The reaction that takes place when quicklime is added to water. Last 15 seconds. Okay, time is up. 20 members answered out of 30 participants. Annapurna, Mauktika, Jahnavi, Anirudh, N. Naveen, Ashwin. 9 members answered this question right. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 27. Which of the following lens act as converging lens? Which of the following lens act as converging lens? You have 25 seconds more. 15 members answered. 19 members answered out of 32. 10 seconds more. Okay, time is up. 22 members answered out of 32 participants. Let's check on the leaderboard scores if there is any change. We have Annapurna, Mauktika, Anirudh, Jahnavi, and Naveen. 9 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 28. The light which bends most and least are 35 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Let's check the scores. Okay, we have Mauktika on the top, followed by Annapurna, Anirudh, Jahnavi, and Naveen. 12 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 29. Who proposed the spectrum of a hydrogen atoms? 35 seconds. Members answered out of 32 participants. Last 5 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the scores. Okay, we have Mauktika on the top, followed by Annapurna, Anirudh, Jahnavi, and Naveen. 16 members answered this question right. Moving on to the 30th question. Which group of elements are called halogen family? 30 seconds. Which group of elements are called halogen family? Five, four, three, two, 1, 0. Time is up. Leaderboard scores. No change. Okay. 11 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 31. A real and inverted image of the same size is formed by a concave mirror when the object is placed. Members already answered out of 32 participants. 20 seconds more. Ten seconds. Okay, time is up. 18 members only answered out of 32 participants. There is no change in the leaderboard score. 11 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 32. Number of moles of oxygen needed to produce 4 moles of water on reacting with 4 moles of hydrogen gases. Five seconds more. Time is up. Let's check the leaderboard scores. Okay, there is no change. 10 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 33. When a refracted ray is distracted from its original path, this displacement is called. When a refracted ray is distracted from its original path, this displacement is called. Last 5 seconds. Time is up. Let's check the scores. Moktika, Annapurna, Anirudh, Naveen, Jahnavi. 7 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 34. Okay, dispersion of light through a prism is 30 seconds more. Members already answered out of 32 participants. 10 seconds more. Time is up. Only only 17 members answered to this question. Let's check the scores if there is any change. No change on the scores. 10 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 35. One is square to a square to P1 is the electronic configuration of what? 30 seconds more. Let's check the scores if there is any change. Mautika, Annapurna, Aniruddha, Naveen, Jahnavi, Swati. 11 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 36. In modern periodic table, each period ends with. Modern periodic table, each period ends with. 30 seconds more. Last 15 seconds. Okay, time is up. I could see only 17 members answered this question out of 32 participants. And scores remains the same. 10 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question, 37. The driver's mirror used in automobiles is 35 seconds. One is two. Okay. 10 seconds. Time is up. Mautika, Annapurna, Anirudh, Jahnavi, and Naveen. 12 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Well, it is quite difficult for me to read these equations. I don't even remember reading them in my whole life in the past. Okay, burning of magnesium crackers is a reaction of. Twenty seconds. Five seconds more. Time is up. Let's check the scores. I could see 19 members answered. And Mautika, Annapurna, Jahnavi, Anirudh, Naveen, Swati. 11 members answered this right. Moving on to 39th question. SI unit of the power of a lens is 35 seconds. 25 seconds. 15 seconds. 20 members answered out of 33 participants. Time is up. Let's check the leaderboard scores. It's the same, no change. So 11 members answered this question right. Moving on to the 40th question. At noon, the sun appears white. Why? What is the reason? 30 seconds. 15 seconds more. I hope 45 seconds to each question is keeping up your excitement without killing it. Time is up. 20 members answered out of 33. Leaderboard scores. You have Annapurna on the top, followed by Moktika, Jahnavi, Anirudh. 3 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 41. How many orbitals are there in the subshell of a magnetic quantum number if L equals to 3? 25 seconds. 10 seconds. 8. Time is up. 19 members answered out of 33. And we have Annapurna, Moktika, Anirudh, Jahnavi, Naveen, and Elysius. 7 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 42. Who noted that there were groups of elements with 3 elements known as traits in each group? 35 seconds more. 20 seconds more. 10 seconds more. 'Okay, time is up. Let's check the leaderboard scores. It seems to be same, but Swati have come up to the 6th position. 17 members answered out of 33. 12 made it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 43. A concave mirror always forms a real and inverted image except when the object is placed. Seconds. 17 members answered out of 33 participants. Time is up. Let's check the scores. We have Napurna, Moktika, Anirudh, Jahnavi, Naveen, and Isias. 8 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question, question number 44. If the gas liberated in an experiment allows the burning splinter to continue burning more brightly in its presence, the gas is 30 seconds more. 10 seconds. Okay, time is up. 17 members answered out of 33 participants. Okay, there is no change in the leaderboard scores. Moving on to next question. Though 9 members answered this question right. Okay, we have 45th question now on your screens. D is the power of the lens. Then focal length of the lens is 10 seconds more. Okay, time is up. 17 members answered out of 33 participants. Let's check the scores, and there is no change. 2 members only answered this question right. Moving on to the next question, question number 46. The danger signals installed at the top of the tall buildings are red in color. These can be easily seen from a distance because among all other colors, the red light. What happens to the red light? Why do they use it? 25 seconds. 15 seconds. 5 seconds. Time is up. 17 members only answered out of 33 participants. There is no change in the leaderboard scores. 5 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question, question number 47. What are the values of the spin quantum number? 35 seconds. 15 seconds. 5 seconds more. Okay, time is up. Let's check the scores. Slight change. Naveen have come to the 4th position. 10 members answered right. Question number 48. Which of the following element family belongs to? 6A group. 10 seconds. Okay, time is up. 17 members answered out of 33 participants. Okay, we have 11 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question, 49th question. Which block elements are called inner transition elements? Which block elements are called inner transition elements? 25 seconds more. Seconds. Okay, time is up. 17 members only answered out of 33 participants. And let's check the scores. We have Annapurna, Moktika, Anirudh, Jahnavi, Naveen, Swati. 9 members made it right. Moving on to the last question of the day. Question number 50. Here it comes on the screen. An object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters from the concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. The image will be 30 seconds. Seconds. Five, four, three, two, one, zero. Time is up. 17 members answered out of 34. Okay, let's check. I guess only 4 members answered it right. Let's check the final scores. Anirudh on the third, Mautika second, and Annapurna first. And congratulations, and I appreciate time and effort of each and every participant. Okay, here are the scores on the screen. This is how you made it, and if you would like to have individual scores, you can contact me.